Hello guys, welcome back to my channel BS Tech. Today we will learn that how to use chamfer in SOLIDWORKS. So as you know, chamfer for the chamfer we should have a solid geometry. So which I have already created. Okay. So we'll go in chamfer first. Okay guys. There is a 5 type of chamfer. Okay. So we will do it one by one. Got it? Okay. So first is angle distance, and second is distance, and third is vertex, and fourth is offset face, and fifth is face. So we'll click on angle distance first. Okay, click on edge of the part where we want to do the chamfer. Okay, it is asking to us radius and angle. Okay, so I'll provide the 15 mm radius. And angles I'll keep 45 degree. Okay, then click on OK. Like this you can use the angle and distance chamfer. Okay, now we will use second chamfer type. Okay, that is distance. Click on distance chamfer. Look here, there is symmetric and asymmetric. With a symmetric it will be, symmetric means symmetric, both sides symmetric. So if you will click on this, it will be symmetric, as you can see. Again we will edit it, we will do asymmetric it. So now it's asking to us okay, you can measure it. It is 10 mm and it is 20 mm. Got it? Okay, now we will do third chamfer. Okay, that is vertex. We need to use this chamfer for vertex. Vertex mean this one. This is vertex. As you can see in the image, there's distance 1, distance 2, distance 3. Distance 1, distance 2, and distance 3. We can edit from here. I'll keep it 20 mm and second 30 mm and fourth is 50 mm. Okay, like this you can use the chamfer by vertex. Okay, now we will do the fourth type of chamfer, that is offset face. Sorry. Okay, offset face mean it is asking to us distance and 50 mm. It is like a angle distance. Face item to chamfer. Okay, you can see here distance and angle. Okay, now you can change the distance from here 30 mm. It is going symmetrically because it is 45 angle. If you change the angle, you can see. Okay, like this you can use this type of feature. Now we'll do last chamfer, that is face. Okay, we can do the chamfer face by click on two faces like this one and this one. Okay, we'll edit it. There's 30 mm. You can choose the distance whatever you want. Okay, so I've covered the all type of chamfer in this video. So if you like this video, please like and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.